Now the Samma will present her poem in Kodava, representing Kodava language.
Kulumbai, hello to you all. I'm Saumya Dechama. I speak Kodava language. Of course, I also speak English and some other languages, but my language is Kodava. And it's spoken in the Kodagu district of southern Karnataka, belongs to the Karnataka state. Kodagu, which is the district, has many languages, just like Kokrajhar. We have Kodava, which is quite dominant in the region. Kodava is the language, again, which I speak, but there are other languages, Erava, Kuruba, Kudiya, and also some of the bigger languages that you know, Kannada, Malayalam, Tulu, Telugu are also spoken in that region. So it's a region that is a cusp and which is quite diverse, but at the same time unequal as well, like every other region. So here is a poem in Kodava, and then I'll read it in the English translation. In Kodava, I have called it Bodo in Nangellala Tudichituru Kodava part in English, and Ode in Kodava to Bodos and to all of us. So the Kodava version. Nuru takku, nuru paatu, innu etchako takkura, innu etchako paatura, takkuna kokondu, takkulu paadundu. Nuru takku, nuru paatu, innu etchako takkura, innu etchako paatura, takkuna kokondu, takkulu paadundu. Ee takkura boja, aa takkura chai, ondanda chodu, innondanda boja, ellanda chai, boja chodu, kootuna bodo janala keli. Indu nuru, naale innuru. Innu minyaku aira, takkachike alla aira jana, takku bore, nadupu bore, jana bore. Takku bore, nadupu bore, jana bore. Kodava, Bodo, Balti, Erava, Ho, Tulu, Irula, Erukala, Bil, Ora, Raba, Koodanalli Gaddala. Nooralla, Aira Koodana, Nooralla, Aira Koodana, Ulla Belina Kettana, Balya Mulluna Adukana, Mullura Biryatna Polikana. Aira Koodana, Adipadi, Kalikana, Nangada Takkuna, Bakuna, Janada Kusina, Nambalatana Sarana. Paranjande Minyaku Pokana, Bodo Karala, Nangalellarna Tudikana. Thank you. The English version. An ode in Kodava to Bodo and to all of us. 100 languages, 100 songs. Many more languages, many more songs to be known, to be heard, to be spoken, to be sung. 100 languages, 100 songs, more languages, many more songs to be heard, spoken, sung. There's this language is beauty, the other's lovely, another is sweet, and yet another charming. Each one is lovely, sweet, pleasing, and here is the tiniest tribute to the Bodos who brought all to this gathering. 100 today, and tomorrow may it be 200. In thousands in the near futures, languages and thousands of us, different languages, different lives, different people, Kodava, Bodo, Balti, Erava, Ho, Tulu, Irula, T tribes, Erukala, Bil, Orang, when together, let's celebrate. Not just in hundreds, but in thousands, let us gather. Not just in hundreds, but in thousands, let us gather. Smash the fences, break the walls, shatter the pride. Let's gather in thousands and shatter the pride. Sing, dance, make merry, make our languages, our lives heard, make our joys and pain heard. Let's march ahead in our own tongues, singing for Bodo, singing for Rabha, singing for Garo, Tiva, Karbi, and for all of us. Thank you very much.